students, in last period we learned the germination as well as parts and its seeds and the types of the seed. We also learned the germination in the last period. So you already know now. Germination means what? The development of a seed into a new plant, or the growing of a new plant from a seed is nothing but the germination. So now in this period we have to learn the stages in the germination. What are the different stages in the germination that we have to learn now? So see students, see according to this figure you come to know. Now see, there are the different stages of germination. When we sowing a seed, so this seed, it started to grow. So first, at the first the root that started to grow, and then the shoot is come out. Then in the next stage what happened? This root is again growing and shoot is also growing. Means this root, it is growing downwards in the soil or towards the gravity, and the shoot is growing towards the, or it grows the upward, in upward direction. And again this seed grow into a new plant, or we can say the seedling is started, or it is nothing but the new plant is grow from the seed. So these are the condition, or these are the stages in the germination. So we will see one by one. So first what happened? Tiny root will come out of the soft moist seed coat. Means when we saw the seed, so we giving water to here, so because of that water the seed coat of this seed, it becomes soft and the root is growing from this seed. Then afterwards what happened? Later shoot will come out. Means after growing a root, this shoot, so this shoot is come out. See students, in next stage the root grows downward towards the gravity and the shoot grows upward towards sunlight. See in the figure students, this root, this grows downwards towards the gravity, and the shoot part which is grow towards the sunlight. And next what happened? This seedling is grow into new plant. Now this seedling is grows into new plant. We are able to see here is the new plant and it grows from the seed. So all these are nothing but the stages in germination, or the stages of germination. Have you understand students? Okay, now we will see the next term, or the next point, that is the dispersal of a seed. Now what do you mean by dispersal? We will see here. Now see students, we already know the plants, they are fixed to the ground and cannot move from one place to another. We already know students, the plants, they are fixed at a one place. They cannot be moved from one place to another place. But how the plants are growing everywhere? So we will see here. See students, if all baby plants grow near the parent plant, they all are not survive. Means what? All the seeds, they are present or they grow near their parent plant. So can they all survive, or all can they grow? No. Why? So reason is here, because all that seeds do not get enough sunlight, food, water and space to grow. Means all these seed, they does not get the proper conditions for growing the seed. So there is the dispersal is necessary. So what do you mean by dispersal? We will see here. Okay students? See students, so if the plant they did not get the favorable conditions, so seed cannot be grown into a new plant. So there are some agents in the nature, they scatter the seeds. Means we know the seed cannot be grow from one place to another place. So there are some agents of nature, they are responsible to scatter the seeds. Scatter means what? To spread from one place to another place. So there are some agents are there, or the agents in the nature, they help the seed to go from one place to another place. And see here students, the agents carry the seed or the fruits away from their parent plant is called dispersal. Now what do you mean by dispersal? The agent carry the seed or the fruits away from their parent plant. Means whatever the seeds or the fruits of the plant, they go away from their parent plant. Or how can they go? There are some agents, so that agent help them to move or to scatter or to go from one place to another place, or to away from their parent plant, and this process is known as dispersal. So you understand students, what do you mean by dispersal? The agents carry the seed or fruits away from their parent plant is called dispersals. Means seeds or the fruits of a plant, they carry away or they spread or they go away from their parent plant. This is known as a dispersal. Understand students? What do you mean now? What is the dispersals? Now we will see the agent which is responsible for the dispersal. Okay? Now see the student agent of a dispersal. We know now dispersal means what? The seed is go away from their parent plant is known as dispersal. Seed or the fruit of a plant, it carry away from their parent plant is known as dispersal. And for this dispersal, some agents are there. So through that agent, this dispersal takes place. So which are that agent? We will see here. See students, the dispersal is carried out by the following agents. So first one is the wind. So the dispersal of a seed, it is carried with the wind. So wind is also the agent of dispersal. Now second one agent, that is the water. So water is also the agent of dispersal, or the seed which can be dispersed along with the water. Now next one agent is the animals. So animal, it's also carried a seed away from their parent plant. We know students, the animals, they are eating the fruits or the fleshy parts of the fruits, and the seeds through their waste material, the seed, it is fallen anywhere. So this seed is carried away along with the animal. So animal is also one of the agent of a dispersal. Now next one, explosion of a fruit. This is also the another one agent of a dispersal. Explosion means what? The opening. So the fruits, some fruits or some seeds, they are having the beans, so they automatically, when they are dry, they automatically get explode or they get open, and from that the seeds are coming out and that seed gets scattered. So explosion of a fruit is also the another one agent of dispersal. So these all four, that is wind, water, animal and explosion of a fruit, these are the agent of a dispersal. Now see students, these agents are these seeds. Some seeds, they are having a special structures of a certain seeds, and the fruit, they help the seed to disperse. Means what? Some seeds, they are having a special structures or the special features. So with the help of that seeds or that fruits, they can go away or they can be dispersed. Okay students? So what we learn students today? See, this stages in germination. In short, we will see once again. So see, what is the stages in germination? So when we grow the seed, so because we are giving water to them, so because of this, seed coat is become soft and the root is started to grow. Then in next step, what happened? The shoot is started to grow or the shoot will come out. Then in next stage, what happened? This root of the seed, it grows downwards towards the gravity, and the shoot of the seed, it will grow towards the sunlight. And this seedling is grows into new plant. Means from this seed to new plant, these all are the stages in the germination. First what happened? Seed, it having the root, then again the shoot will come out, then this root grows downward and the shoot part, it will grows towards the sunlight, and later or the finally this shoot or this seedling, this grows into a new plant. So these are the stages in the germination. So you understand students? Okay. Now next point, that is the dispersal. What do you mean by dispersal now students? The agents carry the seed or the fruit away from their parent plant is called dispersal. Means seed or the fruit, it is carried away from their parent plant, or the seed or the fruit which is go away from their parent plant, it is known as dispersal. Okay students, and this dispersal is carried by the three agents, that is the wind, water, animal and explosion of fruits. So okay students, have you understand this part? So what we learned today? The stages in germination, the dispersal and the agents of a dispersal. Okay students, in next period we will learn these agents of dispersal in detail. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you students.